Hi everybody. Today our topic of discussion is nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Can you say what is the general form of a quadratic equation? Yes, it is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now tell me, what is its discriminant? Discriminant, you know, discriminant of a quadratic equation. Discriminant of a quadratic equation is denoted by the letter d, and it is b square minus 4ac. Now, if this discriminant is more than 0, then the roots or the solution of a quadratic equation are real and unequal. Real and unequal, and the values of the roots are minus b plus minus root over d by 2a. If d is equals to 0, if discriminant is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal, and the solution will be minus b by 2a. And in case discriminant is less than 0, there are no real roots. There is no real roots, only imaginary roots are there. Both the roots are imaginary in case d less than 0. So if discriminant is more than 0, the roots are real and unequal. If discriminant is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. And if d is negative, roots are imaginary. Thank you.